Hello, welcome back to my channel. Past time we have been learning a little more about search patterns and replace neobim. So we are going to continue that path today. So let's start. Module 8. So we are going to use command line for saving and quitting. And so command line learning. So these are more like advanced module. So we can do say semicolon dot a semicolon. Oh, it was not to type. Oh, they are meaning that if you press semicolon and type a command, you can the command line mode you will init it. So command line mode is when you are the dots. Okay. So this is the lesson line doing commands. If we press the set a number, set number, set a number. Of course, we can't set because they are already set. So let's practice outside this instance. So we will start mvim again, and let's type something. And if I say set a number, oh, you will get the number code. So you can start doing that in your console if you don't have the plugin. I will close this one. Learn Vim next. Let's check the next one. So you can use command line now to operate on a specific range of all lines, rather than just the current line or the whole file. So they are specifying the rules, and that's why they explain why percent with the replace uses the entire file, and how to search with the pattern, the thing that we just did in the past module, and how to apply. So pretty much if we just use semicolon, we use semicolon. It was semicolon. Let me check again. I think that I have been saying semicolon. No, it's colon. Pretty much a confusion. So colon. So this is colon. The other is period. My English is so bad. So we use colon, the range is specified, usually it applies to the current line. Colon 1,5, links 1 through 5, and so on. So using a range with D, delete the lines 7 through 9. Okay. So it will be like 1, 5, D. Oh. So basically this allows us to delete the list from the 11 to 9 and execute to 13, I mean, and delete. Very good. So we can execute commands using the colon console mode, and we could just operate on pattern. Really good. Using the percentage sign with S, replace all occurrences of old with new. Oh, I think that we did this the last time that we was like is pattern called new pattern new. So this is a great exercise because it starts to build on past experience. Very good. This is the the junk keyword into the register. Oh, we have changed the lesson. So we are in the registers thing that basically, oh, you have multiple keywords. When you pass, you retrieve the next thing from the register. So usually if we use the named register, we place whatever just we junk there, and P or paste will be pasting for that. So you can specify a register by typing register name before you junk, delete, or put command. Okay. So junk the word command into a register using backslash. No, backslash A E. Junk the word junk into a register A using demo to the line below, and then paste the register using A P. Oh, really good. So let's do this slowly again. So I have junked the word in the AP register. So if I want, it doesn't do that. In that I have to reload the register. So I will use a new register. I will junk the paste word using AY. In that register, they will have rules. So if I use the V register, no, that's a movement. Oh my god. This is let's use the register, I don't know. E? It goes to the end. Let's go to the O register. No, that inserts an E. Let's use A while we understand the naming of the register. A, junk the word, and W. So we can use the movement W to junk the whole word. Okay. So if I use O, escape, and P, we can paste the thing. So this means that I should be able to, let's delete the word, delete backward. So if I do then YY and junk the whole line, but at the same time I do the command like AW was AYW. What happens when I paste? It will paste the last junk word, but if I paste from the register, it will paste the same thing. So basically also the word goes to a specific register. That should be a thing to explore in depth. Maybe the next thing. So delete this into the register V. But I think that we try to do that. V, delete. I think that doesn't work the way you intend. But if we do backslash V, P, we'll paste one line below. So the deletion happened to the register V. This is a little weird concept. V, but this is not doing that. If I do the V, think that it is the same. I think that the only thing that will change if I do A, BD, and then do P, it will just paste the whole thing. But if I use A, P, it will paste the same thing. So I'm trying to find what will be the difference in using the name register. So how I just let's just junk this in the register, the whole line. I do P, it will yet use the junk operator. So I think that the whole thing is, maybe I need to add the quotes. Is the thing that I'm missing here. Let's try the quotes. A, BD. And let's use the quote V, P. Oh, I didn't. No, it just chunks the thing from the name register. Let's try V, BD, and let's junk the whole line. And which one? So if I paste from here, and if I use the only name register, I delete one line. But if I do try to paste from the register, I don't paste anything. So let's go again and let's try it. So this is a good thing to learn. So let's do it again. Backslash, or it should be a quote issue. Maybe you are not intended to use backslash. I'm thinking on that. Let's use just comma V, and then BD. Let's try again. VDD. Okay. If I do quotes P, doesn't happen anything. I didn't register P. If I do quote B, P, oh! So that's the trick. The instruction is wrong. So if I want to load something in the register, I will just use the name register V. Let's escape there. V, PP. What? Oh, it's not VVB. If I do V, one junk this line, and if I do junk this line, I should be able to paste, delete this. That was the thing that I junked on the register line, and if I use the normal P, it will paste a totally different command. So that's the thing. Sorry for the confusion. So let's do 12, 17, delete. That's a thing about the learning. So it's open. Okay. So let's recap this. I want to be sure of doing that. Let's do it. So let's insert things on the register. So the register is just with the quote and the letter. So let's do the register A. Let's load the word keep. So we were going to do I will load the register in the V register. I will load the word keep. So it will, let's be quote V Y W. So we junk this word, and we will go up and we will junk this word, the word page. So if I go to a new line and I go paste, it will paste this thing. But if I select that I wanted to paste from the register B, so I haven't loaded the word properly in the register B. So try it again. Yes. Let's try to jump the word. That it should be like this. If I go here and the P, it will paste from the last thing on the register, right? Let's try. Let's do. Let's load in the register B the word. Okay, we get the delete. So if I junk the word this, so we open a new line and we do P, we'll do this, and if we load the next one that is in the register B, it will do keep. Guess that I loaded the wrong way, the other thing, but this proves the thing that I was trying to check. So basically, we have a lot of registers that we could name using the quote, the quotation mark. So I could paste arbitrary text on the registers. So we will do A, Y, W to junk the word keep, and we will junk on the register B the word delete. So we go to the beginning. So in the word B we will junk the word delete, and in the common register we will junk this word. So it will be white out. So if I go to the end of this and I press O and I go paste, it will paste the word page. But if I open, I will escape. If I open from the register, there will be quote AP, it will paste keep. I don't remember what I junked there. In an I have do the same from the register B. It will delete, it will paste a different thing. That's mind blowing. That's a thing that I haven't experienced on another editor. And great that you have the opportunity to see me going through that. This sure is a thing for all of you. So after I just learned this symbol is colon, and I was doing it wrong for the whole time. So this lesson is better because it says that the registers are named from the A to C, and also we have some special registers. So the quotation mark without any other word is the unnamed register. The 0 is the junk register. So the junk last. Okay, so we have the name register. And there is another register that stores the text. Percentage gets the name of the current line, and then hashtag symbol the name of the alternate file. Oh, the file. I mean, it was not line, but file. Semicolon, the last executed command line command. Okay. Forward slash, the last search pattern, and dot, the last inserted text. So we are going to go to that and we do the dot operation. Oh, that's interesting. So past takes the last inserted text. This is mind blowing. So let's do DD. Insert some text. Okay, let's go insert. Insert This is my last inserted text, so please be aware of that. We press escape. Let's move to the next line. Let's do. We are going to then use the name register. Oh, that's pretty good. So if we don't write we are going to use the dot that it is stored the last in the thing that you just inserted, and you can just insert it again. So it's very useful for avoid writing again stuff without junking. Pretty good application with this. Pretty fun. Junk the word junked using YW, then move to the next line and paste only the junk text, not the deleted text. Which deleted text? So let's go here and let's do with YW. So if we delete this word, I think that we are supposed to have into the junk register the deleted thing. So if we don't want to paste that, we have to use the junk register where is the thing that I just deleted, but I can't just, if I don't want to name the register, I can use it. So if we use $sign to go to the end and use register 0 and we paste, oh, that's great. That's the most impressive thing that I have seen on lately on this thing. I thought that I hadn't been surprised, but how you can use NeoBeam, but this has just surprised me a lot. So I will leave it like that today. I think that this thing just blew completely my mind, and it's a thing that I have to think a little, maybe, and maybe also to do some exercise. I suggest you to do the same if you have some text. Try to do this and experiment with that, because it's a good thing. It's a cool thing, a cool feature that usually you will go Control C, Control V, just copying the last thing and use a lot of clipboards and so on and so forth. But this thing has that built in, and that's a good thing to think about. So let me comment in the comments if you like the thing that you just saw, and we will see again in the next video. Bye bye.